for the beginning of the 2026 season, we will not be seeing Jordan Smith. And that coming from his Instagram post. If you missed this, the final round of the S-Max playoffs, he had a high-speed crash, ended up dislocating his shoulder, and later on would find out that he actually tore his rotator cuff and his labrum. Now, mind you, he raced that night, finished 6th overall. Not exactly bad, especially to finish the race with a torn rotator cuff and labrum tear. And, I mean, good for him. Probably pretty, how you want to say this nicely, pretty used to riding through injuries now. But in the post on his Instagram, he said, quote, "Unfortunately, from my crash in Las Vegas, where I dislocated my shoulder, I went home and had an MRI on it, which showed I had some damage to it in tearing my rotator cuff and labrum. It's unfortunate. The doctors felt like I needed to get it fixed to get back to 100% and ensure no more dislocations. So I'm about 5 weeks out of surgery now, trying to do everything I can to be back as quickly as possible." Now, if you believe the rumors or whatever the thoughts, he was supposed to be riding the 450 for Triumph this year, supposed to be making the move up. That's obviously not going to, well, I guess it can still happen. He can just come in later to the season, but who knows on that. As of right now, they have Harrop signed for the Pro Motocross, but not Supercross. So hopefully, he can come back. Maybe, move into the 450 class with absolutely no, I guess if you miss, who knows how long into the season, you're not going to have any expectations on you. It's going to be a nice, easy year of just get back on the bike, give us some testing data, and see what you can do. And, anything top 5, podium, whatever, would just be super icing on the cake. But who knows? That means he's going to have to get back in riding shape, and they're actually going to have to do that. Or maybe just, can he race the 250 class? I don't know. Somebody tell me in the comments below if he's still eligible for the 250s. I'm not quite sure. But you guys tell me, what do you think? Are you excited for A1? Are you still watching World Supercross and thinking, these don't look very super, like World Supercrossy, little small tracks. Maybe it's just me, but I don't know. That's what I'm going to leave you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it does really help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.